29 forecast.
Well, if you were up early this morning, you still saw some sunshine. There's the sunrise as captured by Jack Cameron in Waynesboro. You can see some jet contrails there, a little reflection off the pond there as well. And here's a nice shot with the pink sky there as Yuki Johnson took that shot from North Garden this morning. Then the clouds thickened up and pretty much as expected, a mostly cloudy day. 64 is the current reading at the airport, touched 68 this afternoon. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, we've got 58 with mostly cloudy skies. Afternoon high touching 62. So cooler than yesterday, but for some of us just at or just above average. Right now we've got 62 in Madison, 62 in Palmyra, 58 there in Waynesboro. And temperatures here for the overnight with mostly cloudy skies, a lower back in the 40s. NBC29's Doppler radar does show a few returns here, but for the most part, that's in the cloud deck. It's precipitation that's not reaching the ground, what we call virga. You go a little farther south, southwest of Roanoke, a little bit of light rain being reported, but for the most part, we'll just deal with the clouds from this system. I wouldn't rule out a sprinkle or maybe a spotty shower our southwesternmost counties, but for the most part, the clouds will kind of linger here tonight. So temperatures in the 40s, perhaps a little patchy fog early tomorrow morning. Skies will brighten here for our Thursday, but temperatures will be a bit similar to where they were this afternoon. Upper 60s to around 70 east of the Blue Ridge, some mid to upper 60s in the Shenandoah Valley. We still hold on to a bit of an easterly wind, and that's a cooling effect in terms of the wind direction. So we have temperatures here for tomorrow, 65 to around 70, but sunshine is back. We have sunshine here on Friday, temperatures for many of us in the low 70s, and this weekend turns even warmer, mid, maybe even some upper 70s. There is a small chance of a few showers on Saturday, but again, we're talking about temperatures well above average for this time of year. So we have a weakening system that's down across the Carolinas that'll kind of skirt off to our east here tonight, and these clouds will kind of fade away as we go into early tomorrow morning. But under that canopy of clouds and some lighter rain showers farther to our south through the Carolinas, temperatures are held down this afternoon. But again, our average daytime high is in the mid 60s. Two hurricanes. This is Martin. Martin is out in the central Atlantic. It's over 1,000 miles west of the Azores. It will continue to strengthen. You can see there on the satellite imagery how organized it is. It is a threat to mariners in the shipping lanes between Europe and the North American continent. Now we'll go a little farther south, deep in the Caribbean. This is now Hurricane Lisa, which has made landfall just south of Belize City, and that will continue to impact Mexico, Guatemala, and maybe the remnants of that or depression emerges back out across the bay waters here of Mexico over the next several days. But again, that is Lisa, so tropics still busy. Here we go with Futurecast. Again, a lot of clouds hold sway, but then we should start to see those clouds decrease in the morning. We'll start in the 40s. Afternoon highs here for Thursday, upper 60s to around 70. We still hold on to that easterly wind, so that may bring some clouds in the morning. 50s to start Friday. Friday afternoon, most of us in the low 70s and warmer this weekend. 40s here tonight. The clouds still linger. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Early November warmth to continue right through the weekend. May have a little bit more cloud cover, especially in the mornings this weekend, but maybe some upper 70s. And then we'll watch Tuesday, Election Day, in the middle of next week with more clouds and perhaps some showers around. And of course, this is the weekend that we fall back 1 hour.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. We will be right back.